The Tatum 4 first ring arrives as a performance basketball shoe inspired by Jayson Tatum's first championship moment. At first glance, the design stands out with layered camouflage tones in moss green and camper green, giving the upper a deep and textured look. Black accents help sharpen the overall shape, while infrared 23 details add energy through the tongue embroidery, outsole, and branding. The upper combines mesh, textile, and suede-like materials, balancing durability, flexibility, and comfort. Angled lace holes allow natural movement, while dual lace collar options provide a bold visual contrast. Breathable mesh panels improve airflow, and the streamlined silhouette keeps the shoe light and responsive. Underfoot, a black midsole and green outsole deliver strong grip with a wavy rubber pattern built for explosive steps. Infrared highlights also nod to Michael Jordan's legacy, adding history to the design. Built for both court action and street style, the Tatum 4 first ring blends storytelling, performance, and modern basketball culture in one standout release.